Experiencing a dead key fob battery in your 2017-2022 Ford Edge can be frustrating, but bypassing it is straightforward. First, locate the hidden mechanical key within your key fob. It's typically found in a slot on the back of the fob. Use this key to manually unlock the driver's side door. Once inside, place the dead key fob directly against the start button. Press the brake pedal firmly, and then push the start button. The car's immobilizer should recognize the fob's transponder chip, even without battery power. If this doesn't work immediately, consult your owner's manual for the location of a backup slot, typically found under the cup holder for 2017-2019 models or near the shifter for 2020-2022 models, and insert the key into this slot before attempting to start the engine. Remember to avoid forcing any components to prevent damage. This process works because the Ford Edge's keyless system uses both radio frequency and an embedded transponder, allowing a mechanical bypass when the battery dies. While the mechanical key bypass is a reliable short-term solution, consider future-proofing your access. Ford is increasingly integrating smartphone-based digital keys via the Ford Pass app, allowing you to unlock and start your Edge without a physical fob. Ensure your Ford Pass app is up to date to check for key fob battery diagnostics. Replace your key fob's CR2032 battery as soon as possible to prevent future issues. Automotive experts recommend reprogramming the fob after battery replacement to maintain security and prevent potential theft. Be aware that extreme temperatures can impact battery life, leading to quicker drain. Future automotive trends are moving towards battery-free key solutions and biometric entry systems, reducing reliance on traditional fobs. In the meantime, keep a spare battery on hand and familiarize yourself with your car's specific bypass methods to avoid being stranded.